Hey guys, 18.3 has been announced. High skill gymnastics have made their debut. Now the question for this week is to scale or not to scale. If you're on the fence here, there's three questions I think you should be asking yourself. One is, are you confident that you could do a 30-second static hold on the rings? Another one would be, are you capable of doing multiple reps of ring dips without any kind of assistance? And third and final would be, do you know that you have a strong arch to hollow type kip? If you don't have a combination of those three things or been working on those in efforts to getting to a muscle up, then I would highly encourage you to go towards the scale division. If you do have those three things, maybe you've never done a muscle up before, then I would highly encourage you to try RX, because there's something about that open magic that we get to see people get their muscle up for the very first time. And that's not only very exciting for the person who gets it, it's very exciting for everyone else who gets to see that for them and encourage them through that. And we wish you the best of luck. For the rest of us that are doing scaled, this is going to be single unders versus doubles, which gives the folks that typically scale two single unders a huge advantage over the rest of the athletes. So use that. For folks that typically do double unders and haven't been doing singles for quite some time, what you're going to find out is that you're probably a little bit slow and a little bit awkward. So what we recommend for you is to definitely get a bit of practice, throw those into your warm-up, get some practice hitting those guys before you start the workout. You definitely don't want to just think going into it, hey, I've got doubles, I can definitely do singles. Things aren't going to go quite right for you, so definitely get a little bit of practice there. Outside of that, this is just like any other kind of open workout. This is a conditioning test. Okay, there's a lot of jump rope in here. So aside from just a couple of pull-ups, a few light overhead squats, a few light dumbbell snatches, it's going to be a lot of time with that rope in your hand. So think about steps, breaking them up. I like numbers of 25 or 50 depending on your conditioning, but keeping manageable breaks. If you do take a break, check the clock. Think about in times of 10 to 15 seconds and force yourself to start going in and continuing on with those double unders or single unders, whichever one you're doing, in order to progress through this workout. Good luck. Hopefully these tips help you out, and can't wait to see you next week. Thanks a lot for joining.